Hi guys, welcome you all to CodeLab with Danish. In this video, we'll see how to install Python. So to download Python, we can just type here Python download on Google. You will see this python.org/download. Click here. It will show you the latest version available is currently when I am recording the video. Latest version of Python is 3.13.0. You can click here to download the latest version and downloading will start. Also, if you want to uh, download specific version of Python, you can scroll down here and you have different version available. You can go with any version that you want to install. So file is downloaded. Let's go to download. Here file is downloaded already. So you just have to double click the file and like you install any other software, you can just click next and it will install automatically. Just don't forget to check on this at python.exe to path. Okay, this is the essential step, or else you will not see the Python installed everywhere. Okay, so just install it. For me, it's already installed in my system, so screen is different. For you, it will be like next, and it will done. To check Python is installed or not, you can go to CMD command prompt and type here Python. It will show you if you are getting something like that, Python is installed, and if you are getting any error, then Python is not installed. If Python is installed, you will get the version here, Python and its version. For my system, Python version 3.9.12 is installed, so I am getting 3.9.12. Also, it will show me like is 64-bit or 32-bit version is installed, so you can see that as well. Okay, that's it for now. See you in next video. Thanks.